Hey, I think I might make a song, Chanel, so I would like it if you give me a shot and read the song I came up with, so please comment back with some constructive critic, please. So here it is.
Oh, baby, don't cry. Lay your head on my shoulder and shut your eyes, go to sleep. See you tomorrow on Christmas Day. Forget your troubles, go on to a deep sleep and dream what your love will give. Go to sleep, forget your troubles, lay your head on my shoulder and go to sleep.